This weekend I found a bunch of awesome stuff from the Dollar Tree, so I figured I would share. Starting off, they have a bunch of new spring garden items, like wind chimes, they have some seeds and whatnot, they have potting soil, all sorts of things. But the one thing that I picked up was this garden flag that says, "Bless our home." I'm gonna open it up quick and see what it actually looks like. So it's pretty thin, and it's pretty crinkly straight out of the packaging, but I think it's actually really pretty. And I'm thinking that this might be something that I hang on our front door. We don't really have a garden or a place for a garden flag, but for $1, I figured I could find a way to repurpose it or even hang it in our room once I get it uncrinkled. So that's pretty cool. It's pretty cute. I like it. Another thing that the dollar store I think has recently come out with is a bunch of stickers, which I'm not a big sticker person by any means, but Nick and I are going on a honeymoon in a few weeks, so what we're actually going to do is bring our Polaroid camera and just capture the moments we have on our honeymoon. And so I wanted to just make a little picture book, so find just a blank book at Michael's or something with those little sticker photo holders. So I found a bunch of stickers that I think would be really cute. There's some trip ones here that I think are really cute and obviously very applicable. So I thought those were cool. They have some pop-out ones here. On the first tab, they have just regular block stickers here, and then they actually have letters, which is cool. And then I also bought a summer pack just because it was a little bit more tropical. There's quite a few that say summer on them, but there's also, I would say 2/3 of it has nothing to do with summer, so I was really excited to see these. Again, they have the first page with the pop-out ones, and then they just have the block stickers, and then again the letters. So these will be really great for that scrapbook. And then they had this little packet that has over 150 stickers. So they have puffy stickers, glitter stickers, foil, and glossy stickers. So there's a bunch of pages. They're super cute. There's a good variety of them. And again, perfect if we're trying to make that little scrapbook. So I was pretty excited about it. Pretty cheap compared to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or anything like that. Something that's very odd that I picked up, especially for this time of year, were these placemats. So these are pumpkin placemats, and my Dollar Tree must have just had them in the back and then forgot about them, or they got buried in other things and then they pulled them out. But I bought 2 of these placemats because I love these placemats to make a pillow. So this is a pillow that I won't take credit for making it. My mom sewed it together. It was my idea, but they're 2 placemats that we sewed together and then stuffed. They're really cute. It's a really durable pillow, actually, so I kind of like the idea of making decorative pillows. So that's why I bought these, because it's just really nice. You probably can't see, but the background says like pumpkins, autumn, fall, family, friends, grateful, thankful, give, pie. So really cute. I'm excited about this. And I'll probably just store them away until fall rolls around. Something different that I picked up this time was actually this paint set. It's kind of just like one of those little, I don't even know what they're called, but you can hold it kind of while you paint. There's like a place for your hand. And it's just watercolor paints. I don't know, I haven't done watercolor in like 10 years, but something I thought would be nice and relaxing to do. So I also bought a drawing pad just so I could pull out some sheets of paper to work on some art. I'm not the most artistic person, but I don't know, something about it was exciting. And then I also picked up a few art brushes, just some extra paint brushes, which it's kind of nice to have these if you ever like ding up your house a little bit or something and want to touch it up. It's kind of nice to have little paint brushes like this. Now we're getting into the really cool stuff. I know that essential oils, there's, really good vendors for it and whatnot, so I realize these aren't going to be your high quality essential oils necessarily that a lot of people use. But I found there was actually, I think, 5 different kinds of these. They're ready to use roll-on aroma guru essential oils. So I think they all have, yeah, they all have sweet almond oil, but they are little roll-ons. This one is a peppermint and sweet almond, which is good for like a vapor rub when you're sick. Soothes tired feet, helps heal itchy skin, awakens mood, helps ease headaches, and increase focus. So that's this peppermint one. This one I'm the most excited about. It's for muscle ease, and it's sweet almond. And then there's a bunch of other ones in this. So this is wintergreen, eucalyptus, peppermint, ginger, black pepper, turmeric, and nutmeg. So I'm really excited about this. Just kind of a more natural way to ease my muscles than taking any kind of meds. And then the last one that I picked up is almond oil and lavender oil. And this one helps to relax and de-stress, promotes whole body tranquility, calms, heightened emotions, helps restore skin complexion, helps soothe the skin, irritations and burns, and promotes restful sleep. They also had a tea tree oil one, but I'm not big into tea tree oil, so I didn't pick that one up. And they had a spray version of this lavender oil, but I kind of like the control of having just a roll-on. These are my 2 products that I was so excited to see in my dollar store. So the first one is this Got to Be Fat-tastic Instant Collagen Infusion Thickening Plumping Mousse. This retails for almost $7 at any other store, so I was so excited to see this. Kind of been in the market for a mousse just to give my hair a little bit more volume, so super excited to try this out. I would definitely recommend searching your Dollar Tree to see if they have anything like this. And then the last product I picked up is actually another Got to Be product. This is actually the Glam Force High Hold Hairspray. I'm not a huge hairspray user, but the last time I actually needed hairspray, I pulled out my old one and it just was like running out of it instead of spraying out of it, so that was pretty bad. So I was definitely in the market for some hairspray, and for $1, I just bought a little travel size one for our trip, and it was $1.50, and it was Tresemme. This is the Got to Be, and this is $1, and it's 9.1 ounces. Highly recommend. I'm really excited to use it. I can't imagine it would be disappointing. So those are all the things that I've recently picked up at the dollar store. I think they're kind of on a roll with all the new spring stuff, and I'm really excited to see what else they come out with. Like I said, I'm most excited about those hair products. I don't know how those are $1, but I'm not complaining. Definitely not complaining. But anyways, I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.